Today we are opening up the FTF Gear LED corner light lamp from Amazon. I'll make sure to drop the links down below. For those of you who are new here, my name is Espitia. I own a video production company here in Colorado alongside my partners, and I'm also a certified personal trainer. The goal of this channel is to help educate as many of you content creators out there on how to create epic videos, proper exercises and form to get in the best shape of your life, and the proper mindset and tools you need to scale your business into the multiple six figures as an entrepreneur. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. We drop videos every single week. But that's enough about me, guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys, so here it is, the FTF light. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. So there's a lot of styrofoam in here. First thing I see is the remote. This is gonna be really useful, especially once I have it set up. Just like to hit a button and have it turn on. The next thing I see is we have the power cord. So this was gonna connect to the wall and power the whole thing. We got this bad boy right here. So this is the actual light itself. It's really, really light, guys, probably like a pound or two. And they got a nice little foot button right here that we'll be able to turn it on and off. And then the last thing in here, guys, is the base. Significantly heavier than everything else on there. Metal plate. You just screw the bottom of the pole on here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this upstairs to the studio, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all set up. Brought everything upstairs. Gonna go ahead and remove all of the coverings. Now we got this big long pole right here. Here's what's connected, guys. That's gonna connect over to this. The power block just goes in, kind of just like a headphone jack or computer charger. We just screw this on, careful without hitting the ceiling, onto the metal plate. All right, now it's nice and tight in there. Got my cords. For the moment of truth, we're gonna go ahead and test it out now. Put it back here in this corner for the moment. And then first we'll try the foot switch. So this right here, let's see. Ooh, foot switch. Check it out, guys. So now we have a nice backlight. The FTF light right here. The last thing I'm gonna do is connect the remote to it, which should be pretty easy. All right, guys, so this requires AAA batteries. It does not come with any, so just be aware if you buy this, make sure you have some AAA batteries at home or get them from the store. There we go. Turn it off. Now for the most satisfying part. Ooh. So you can switch just by hovering over here the different temperature of the light. So you'll see we have it warmer versus colder. You can make it brighter or dimmer. You can see it on the wall. And then on and off. And that's it, guys. Really, really happy with this light. The only thing I would change is I wish it had an RGB feature to it so that I can have different colors. As you see, I like to use different colors in the videos that I make with the ambient lights. Right now we have the purple wall. Would love for the FTF light to have that feature, but it's still really, really good. So I'll let you guys know my final thoughts after. All right, fam, you've seen it here yourself. Overall, I would rate this light a 9 out of 10 for the price. The only thing I would change is ideally it could have an RGB colors feature. If this video is valuable for you in any way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button down below. We got weekly videos dropping every single Monday covering topics such as video production gear, workout tips for content creators, and mindset tactics to help you level up. Subscribe right now, and we'll see you in the next video.